Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix the invalid JSON error in WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, the reason that this happens is you don't get a response from the server that is expected, and then it pops out this error and something doesn't work. Now, to fix this, you have a couple of different options. I'll be showing you 3 of them, and they're very easy to do, and the first one is checking your URL settings. So all you need to do is just go into your settings and go into general, and then modify these URLs to what they should be. They should be the same in both fields, so just make sure everything is working correctly and you have the correct URLs. If you have an SSL certificate, make sure it's HTTPS, otherwise make sure it's HTTP, and that should be pretty much it. If you have any redirects, you should also check them if they are causing any problems, but pretty much just make sure that your URL is working perfectly, and that should be it. Other than that, what you need to do is fix the WordPress permalink structure. You just need to go into settings and into permalinks, just change any common setting or just keep it the same, or if you want to just change it to another one, save the settings, then change it back and save the settings again, just to reset everything, and that should be good. Or you can just change it perfectly and that will also work. Now, other than that, you can regenerate the htaccess file, which you also do through the permalinks. However, first you're going to need to use a file transfer protocol client or a hosting dashboard or a file manager. If you have cPanel or hPanel, you can use those. Then just go into your public HTML, go and download your htaccess file from the public HTML, and then once you download it, to back it up, delete it, then go back into your permalinks and just click save settings again, and that should regenerate your htaccess file. And those 3 options are the main options that you should be trying. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.